What is up, guys? We are back at Cal Expo, but forget the fair food today. We are here to see 1,200 drones light up the night sky for the Fever and Harry Potter drone show. Join us for an epic night at the largest traveling drone show ever. And if you want more Harry Potter content, check out our other videos showcasing other related events.
This here's the lunch. This is B. And then we're A.
This is A.
A and C. I kind of feel like A seating is maybe better, especially because today is windy.
And then the show is supposed to be down here, and there's a violinist probably right there in the center.
Yeah. So what tickets should you get? We opted in for the Group A tickets. They were about $59 or so. You could have splurged and got the deluxe seating. I do see downstairs that they did come with a special gift bag of some sort. We don't know what's in it, but Group A, I think we got, or Seating A, I think we got a pretty good deal for the price we paid. If you wait till the week of the event, the tickets do significantly drop. They're doing like a 20% off deal right now. You are risking them selling out. So we went ahead and got ours early on. Right now, it's only Friday and Saturday. So tonight and tomorrow. Saturday still had plenty of tickets. Tonight was sold out. I don't think you need to get here an hour early because they're pretty efficient once everything opened up and there's plenty of seating. But of course, if you're like us and want to kind of get to the main area early on and get your seating in a good spot up in the front, I say you should. Then you could stop and get some snacks, some lemonade or drinks, whatever they have available, and just relax. Not necessary to get here an hour early, but I would recommend it just because I like to check everything out before the show starts.
So food options are going to vary based on the locations. Here, we're fortunate to have some food trucks, a couple of vendors down here. They do have 2 bars, but again, it just depends on the location. Oh, and they won't sell the butterbeer to you guys until after the show. Why is that?
And then he just
is it because it's in bottles?
Maybe. That's what I'm thinking, so you don't chuck them at the drones. I don't know.
So be on the lookout as this drone show is traveling all across the world. On the website, it was kind of vague on who gets these LED lights, but it's everybody. Everybody gets these lights. It doesn't matter which zone you get, and they're free of charge. So don't worry if you get deluxe or zone A, everyone gets this. So that's
it's
freaking
all in your
cool.
Own house colors. So
yes.
No matter what house you are,
you you pick your own house color.
Yeah. And they light up with the show. Oh my God.
That's my joke. Why are you taking my joke?
Because you don't have the Voldemort nails.
Oh.
I want to go over.
Maxima! You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a what? Dear Mr. Potter, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
Welcome, Harry. Diagonal. Give it away. No, Definitely not. I wonder.
Now all you've got to do is walk straight up the wall between platforms 9 and 10.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on. I will tell you where you ought to be. Loyal. True. Yes, clearly. Hufflepuff. A ready mind. You belong in Ravenclaw.
Oh, blue too.
True. Slytherin! Tart, daring, better be Gryffindor!
I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. Wormtail, Padfoot, Prompt are proud to present this math.
I can teach you how to bewitch your mind and snare listeners.
Got it? And now, dunk it down into the other pot and pour a little sprinkling of soil if you can walk.
I must ask you not to scream. It might provoke us.
Today's game, Slytherin versus Gryffindor. The game begins.
Scared. You're ready.
Training for the ballet, Potter. What?
When something happens that is truly 3.
How dare you steal that car? I am absolutely disgusted. If you put another toe out of line, we'll bring you straight home.
To see from your bright, happy faces smiling. I'm sure we're all going to be very good friends.
That was insane. Oh,
Already. So we apologize for the lighting, but wow, this has actually turned out to be really freaking cool. The part with Dolores Umbridge. You can't really see her eyes, but when I looked at the camera, it really brings out her eyes more than what you see here.
That's what Aaliyah said too. She's looking at it live, and then she looks over on the camera screen and is like, "Oh my gosh, you can see it so much clearer."
Looks creepy.
Literally,
But it's insane, like the way it moves and the motion is so smooth. And I love it when it changes over to something else because it's like all sparkly and disappears.
They can create hands better than I can.
Artistic movements and just the images are so crisp and so clean. Like it's so weird because it doesn't even feel like you're looking at drones. It does feel like a TV screen in a weird way. I think the first half is already amazing. And I can't even imagine what the next is going to be. They haven't even shown Voldemort, hopefully if they do. And when they introduce the houses with the Sorting Hat, just the energy you could feel all around you with people screaming for their own houses.
Cheering for their houses.
Yeah, it felt like we were at a game. It was so much fun.
Hogwarts is chosen, triumphs and torn, eternal glory.
He's back! He's back! Voldemort's back!
Oh, cool.
Will be rewarded.
Expecto Patronum! Expecto Patronum!
Harry Potter!
Let's finish this the way we started.
Poor use of intellect. When others were in grave peril, 50 points. Second, to Mr. Ronald Weasley, for the best played game of chess that Hogwarts has seen these many years. To Mr. Harry Potter, secure love and outstanding courage.
This was actually really freaking good. It exceeded our expectations. I don't know why, but on film or on camera, it looks so much better. Like the detail of the characters. You can see the eyes, the expression.
The expressions are so clear on phone cameras. I think in person, it's drones creating a really cool image, but on phone, that's literally just an image.
No, it was actually really good. And I started to think, I mean, I wasn't sure why they would do the intermission, and it makes so much sense maybe to allow the drones to cool down
Let
so
them,
they can
yeah.
malfunction. It showed so many scenes from the movies, and I loved it. They did a great job.
Honestly, this is an amazing experience, and I would not pass this up. We're not sponsored by Fever. We paid with our own money, of course, but it's an amazing experience, especially if you're a fan of Harry Potter. I wouldn't miss it. And I don't regret not doing the deluxe.
No.
Our seating was perfect.
Yeah, we had really good seating.
Mm-hmm.
And I think we got to see a little more of a better angle of the drones.
Yeah, so
because
you're not looking up the whole time.
They weren't up above us. They were like...
Exactly. Those that were in deluxe were like this the entire time. Well, most of the time.
And they may have gotten to see the violinist a little better. But I feel like the position that we were in, just look at the venue. I would recommend looking at whatever the website is from the venue that you're going to and just kind of seeing what the seating looks like ahead of time before just purchasing whatever the highest tickets are. Mm-hmm. Because ours were the better ones. I loved it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our quick little video where we had to come see the drone show art here at Cal Expo. Thank you so much if you followed along this far. Please give us a like and follow, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye, guys.